Hey everyone, my name's Val. So I guess I'm talking a little bit about my future plans. So in 5 years, where do I think I'll be? I don't really know totally. I kind of thought I would be working with kids still, and I guess I probably will be. My field placement offered me a position, which unfortunately, I turned down for a couple different reasons. But my current job right now, I work in adoption, um, and they are planning on bringing in the mental health side of things. So, um, I'll probably stay here for a little bit. I'm not really sure. I'm kind of still sussing it out. I didn't think I wanted to work with adults, but now I'm kind of re-entertaining that idea, so kind of still exploring. But I know for the present moment, I'll continue to work at my job in adoption and, hopefully still work, do some kind of mental health work. And then how will I practice a sex positive future? I think that was the next question. Um, I think the most important thing is to be open-minded. I don't really have very much experience with, anybody who is facing, any gender identity or anything transgender. I do have one case now, my first one, with a transgender male. I haven't spoken to him yet, but it's my only case, so I have minimal experience. So for me, I think the biggest thing is just to understand that, some people are just going through different experiences, and I think, doing what feels right is the most important. So respecting people's decisions and being open-minded and non-biased and willing to treat everybody equally is most important. I think that's, kind of what I'll take into my future work as far as um, taking what I've learned from this class, which I have really enjoyed. And then any questions? I don't really have any specific questions, and I hate to say that because I know there's so much more that I want to know or could know, but there isn't really anything that's kind of boiling that I'm like really want to know. I think this class covered a lot, and I've really learned a lot, and I've enjoyed it. So thank you very much, and best of luck to everyone.